On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, guys? Look what I got. You don't know what it is? It's a plastic snorkel 07 to 11 Jeep Wrangler 3.8. This is like $60, so we're gonna get this to work on the 2012. I had the 3.8. An AIRBOX doesn't look that much different. It is a little different here, so I'm gonna probably have to figure out how to modify one into the other where it comes through. I don't think it's gonna be that big of a deal because it's not that much of a difference. But as I'm looking at this, I'm looking up here. Look at this. That almost looks like it's been getting sucked in, doesn't it? Look at it. That's choking that thing off. Holy cow. You could actually see the outline of the whole intake of that AIRBOX. Totally choked it off. So what I'm going to do right now is cut this off. Yeah, there's no doubt that was up like this, and it flipped down into it. Even took the shape of it. That's a fail.
A little below.
See, this is different.
I don't even have insulation. So.
Yeah, yours is different. The AIRBOX looks kind of the same, and I think that other one pops in there, so I'm gonna have to make it so it fits in. I'll make it work.
It's not for a Jeep.
Is that an Isuzu?
Looks like a GU. Nissan.
I like the way they protect all these metal parts from hitting each other.
This one is
Well, they measure
under
on
3-inch ID, but OD is only 3.5.
It should be inside measurement, of course.
That's what I would think for inlet.
I just want to see. Looks like it might work. Yeah, I do definitely want to make a wing nut, so if something happens, you could just pop it off, you know.
You like a catch can? Nah. I don't think it actually is.
Nah. Sure
it should pop up. Easy though.
No, I broke that one.
Lost a couple?
Just one. It's alright. So how big is this compared to that?
Oh, and here's your antenna noise reducer.
This stupid thing is spinning. It's going to be like that. So the hole, you must have to make a hole bigger underneath this to let that go down. Let's take the AIRBOX out and try it without it.
I don't know, I'm trying to line it up with the body line and like have this straight through, you know?
Oh, so these should have been straight. I don't think their brackets are very good because this is touching. These probably should have been straight. Unless there's no other way to put them on there. No, there's no other way. Just take them off. These pop out.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, so it's the same thing. This gap here is way smaller than that gap. That's just the way it's got to go. because that's right where it's got to go. That I could deal with, because if water gets in, I'd rather have it drained. But those are pretty big.
Yeah. Hard rubber. I don't know if it's gonna go over that.
I guess we'll split it and stick it on if we have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think this comes off. I guess you could try it.
I give it a good twist.
Yeah, I'll split it. Yeah.
They don't give you any backing for that, huh?
No, we could use that Gorilla tape. Gorilla, isn't it? Yeah, it's Gorilla tape.
What's the difference?
What's the difference between Gorilla tape and duct tape? There's a huge difference when it comes to down the line. Duct tape is thinner. It's gray. That stuff has a different compound on it.
I thought this was just black duct tape.
This actually might be black duct tape. It doesn't say Gorilla tape on it.
Yeah.
Make sure you clean your box. I should put another screw right there. So I had to cut like a ½ inch off the bottom. Reuse that. Hot glue, baby. Tighter than frog's butt. Watertight. Do some bridging here. Arts and crafts.
You did all the extra hot glue just for reinforcement?
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
This isn't made for this.
Oh, okay. So you're making
It's made for the older, yeah. Like I told him, I think I'm going to run a screw in it anyway. Well, people steal these. We were watching, who was it?
Mountain State Overland.
Yeah, I was
They were
gonna.
at the very beginning of their trip. They just crossed the border to Canada. And things.
And they stole that piece off of someone in a parking lot. And he's like, oh, thanks a lot.
Mountain
And they were like way out, like nowhere.
Ah, it doesn't fit.
Slam it.
Oh, you gotta cut the hood?
Yeah, you got to cut a,
No fucking way.
How are you supposed to get all that air
You're
through?
really gonna do that?
yeah.
Holy shit, you're committed.
Tell me,
That's all I gotta say.
This- I should have put it from in here because no one could ever get that screw out from this angle. Yeah, maybe I will one more. Or they could just walk up and twist the screws right off it. Oh, geez. There goes that. But if they come and stole that, you see this, don't you?
What's that?
That's my camera. I got 360 camera on this.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh.
So if they come and steal it,
Oh, right there.
as soon as they shake the Jeep,
But that,
this goes off.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, where's the other one?
There's one in the front,
Yeah, not this one, no, the other one.
little 360 cam.
That's good though.
Where this touches has to absolutely be at least from here. I'm going to go off that plus what they say to do for measurement plus all that.
I don't know if
No?
AEV does.
I'm just saying, like, it's straight from here and there, and I know this angle is so it'll clear that.
How does it match up to this?
That must be to this part of it.
Yeah, you can see.
They don't give you a measurement?
No. Use measurement because, like I said, they're all going to the same airbox.
Yeah, true.
23 millimeters from latch pocket.
23 millimeters. It's gonna be about 7/8 of an inch.
9.9. This is gonna line up to that. So, what's that?
So that's like actually an inch. So it's got to be less than that. Like, yeah. Yeah.
You want a punch?
For what? Oh yeah, they got hole saw marks. I still want to put tape on here though.
So you got it.
I think I got it. I just don't want it to rip off this Rubicon.
No masking tape, huh?
Why would I need masking tape?
Isn't that gonna leave like residue?
Yeah, but it's going to protect it way better than masking tape. So this has to be 7/8. Yeah.
That's a drip spot out there.
Yeah.
Anytime everybody brings someone around, even if someone.
I'm just doing this because Andrew wants to see if it's going to fit his.
So why is it going on yours?
Test one.
We're
Right.
testing it.
Yeah, you're testing
Yeah.
it.
Right.
And then after you cut everything up, then what?
Then the hood closes on it, and then you leave it, and then you drive the truck.
So when you don't want this anymore, you have a hole in your hood.
You never don't want it.
You never don't want it? Doesn't even make sense.
Go ahead, laugh at yourself.
I was in a smart people class. I didn't associate with people like you.
Yeah, but smart people for.
Oh!
What's up?
No going back now.
Nope.
Said you've been dying to get some of my reaction.
Load it
filled
up.
it up.
What the hell? Better off just cutting the fucking thing. Let's see how good this is. Woo! Well, now it's for the moment of truth here. Let's see how fucked up we did this. Huh. I gotta cut the inside more.
You might actually know what you're doing.
What?
Still hitting the metal there.
I wonder if I could just tap that up now. That'll do. You're getting nails, dude. Oh yeah. Oh, she's perfect. Oh, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. That's it. Well, what do you think, guys? Pretty solid. Huh? Test drive? Yeah, test drive. Alright, let's see in fact if it does have any more power. Feels pretty good. So I did notice a little more power. One guaranteed thing is that you're not going to be sucking hot air from the engine compartment. You're going to be getting cold, fresh, ram aired. So it definitely has to be better for off-roading. Definitely 2 thumbs up.